This brand is from Rheem Manufacturing, which is a part of the Paloma Group. The brand is made in Mexico and is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada, but their warranty is only average when compared to other brands. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use direct spark ignition, which is louder and less reliable than brands that use hot surface ignition. The units have a blocked drain sensor so that, if the condensate drain becomes clogged, the furnace is shut down to prevent water damage to the furnace and surrounding area. The S921T models offer basic single-stage furnaces with a 92% Afue efficiency and a constant torque blower motor, but their warranty is not very good. The S951T models are a better option in the basic category as they have a 95% combustion efficiency and are backed by a better guarantee on the heat exchanger. The S962V models are premium two-stage furnaces with variable speed blower motors which are quieter and more efficient, and the units have the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The S98MV models are their entry in the ultimate category with a 98% Afue efficiency and modulating control for longer heating cycles, which provides more even temperatures throughout the home. The S98MV models are backed by a lifetime heat exchanger guarantee with furnace replacement in the event of heat exchanger failure.